Welcome to the Switch City Collector presentation. I'm Paul, and in this video, we got a challenge. Zelda Diecast Racing, who's apparently in everybody's comment section, watches almost every video, or at least comments on them. I'm gonna say both. Who knows? It's Show Your Trucks challenge. Now, it doesn't specify what kind of truck, so I'm gonna do any kind of truck in several different scales. First off, we have a Greenlight 2013 International Durstar box truck from Indian Motorcycles in a 1/64th scale. Back doors do open. Plain and cavernous. Indian on the back, Indian on the side. And if you remember when I unboxed this, I said I purchased it because of the fact that Indian Motorcycles were started in 1901. Out in Springfield, Massachusetts, which is about 2/3 to 3/4 across the state. Then we've got a larger scale. We've got the 1952 Ford F1 Sanford & Son in a 1/43rd scale, also from Greenlight. We've got some funky pickups, such as the 1963 Volkswagen double cab pickup. Pull back. The only metal on it is the cab top. Everything else is plastic. Open doors, pull back motor, forward base, forward bed. Delivery services, fast and reliable. So there's that. We've got a funky little Tomica, which is the Toyota Toyota Town Ace truck. Kind of burger truck, Tomica burger truck, black giant plastic hamburger on the back. There's your front, there's your other side, you got this driver's side, and we've got a couple of the Greenlights. We've got a Jeep 2020 Jeep Gladiator pickup truck, double cab, 2 doors, 4 doors, 1941, nice yellow. Great off-road truck, and a trailer hitch. Gotta get me a trailer to go along with it. Well, it's kind of jacked up for a trailer, but sticking with Greenlight, got the ever-popular 2021 Chevy Silverado, Massachusetts State Police, which, as I always harp on, they don't get things right. They don't have 1060. They don't have the match license plate. They don't have the blue. They don't have the light blue, correct? But still great cars, and I plan to collect every single one in the Massachusetts State Police livery. A seldom used livery from Greenlight. They only have 2, at least the 1/64 Boston Police, which this is the 1995 Ford F250. Apparently, looking online, Boston actually does have some pickup trucks, and they did have one like that, so continuing to use actual real-world liveries. And we've got a couple of Auto Worlds, and I think they don't tell you on the base, do they? No, they're Ford F-150s. This one is in red. This is the third Auto World I ever bought. Maybe there's a second. Has an opening hood, as some Auto Worlds do, and it's tricky to get open. But there's not a lot to it because it's a modern truck, and modern trucks are blacked out engines. Working tailgate. It rolls really well. The passenger side. So on the driver's side, and we've got the same Ford in silver, the black trim. F-150. Working tailgate. Hood. Blacked out wheels. And we've got a way that I know you didn't think I was going to be able to work in a hatchback, now did you? We got 6 more to go. I'm going to have to bang the camera. But I got to grab the 6th one, which is a custom. But you didn't think I was going to work in hatchbacks, did you? But did you know that in the United States, when they created what Hot Wheels calls Volkswagen Caddy pickup truck. In America, it was the Volkswagen Rabbit pickup truck because the Volkswagen USA were looking for variations on the Rabbit Mark I Rabbit hatchback, and they stumbled upon a working model, or they stumbled upon what they went to going on to sell as in I believe it was looking up, it was in South America and in Yugoslavia, or at least they were made in South America, South Africa, and Yugoslavia, and in the United States. The rest of the world was sold as the Volkswagen Caddy. Here it was the Rabbit pickup, which I don't know why they didn't go with the Rabbit pickup name, because, well, we were in America. Hot Wheels is an American company. This was from the Decade series of Target exclusives. I believe it was with the Ultra Hots. No, not the Ultra Hots, the Hot Ones. We got a regular release in green. We got a Mystery Machines or Mystery Models in Zamac. Pretty cool. Then you've got the Volkswagen set in purple. And this year's, I want to call them Easter, but they call them spring cars. They're Easter cars, alright? They're Easter. Like the bunny, nice baby blue, light blue paint. And lastly, I got a 29 Ford pickup truck that I did a custom on. I made the wooden part. I made the wooden back parts there. I painted the base. I painted the bed black and silver. I put it on some Maisto wheels because, well, these look more fitting to the 1920s. And well, this is my answer to Zelda Diecast Racing's Show Your Trucks Challenge. I sure hope they enjoy. I hope everyone enjoys the trucks that I picked to show. I could have gone further in depth, but, well, you've already seen them back, a lot of mine back when I did the challenge for Gary to show some 50s trucks, because I'm kind of a 50s truck, more of a 50s truck kind of guy, but these are the things I happen to have on display. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.